गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. काल आपण काही रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर पाहिले. आज आपण उरलेले त्यातले रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर बघू. त्यातला नेक्स्ट वन इज लॅरिंजायटिस. लॅरिंजायटिस इज द इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ लॅरिंग्स. इन्फ्लेमेशन of larynx, voice box, inflammation of vocal cord. स्वर यंत्र आवाज जिथून निघतोय त्या भागाचं इन्फ्लेमेशन जर झालं तर त्या डिफेक्टला त्या रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डरला आपण लॅरिंजायटिस म्हणतो. सच इन्फ्लेमेशन मे ऑकर ड्यू टू द बॅक्टेरियल इन्फेक्शन or viral infection. It may be also occurs due to the overuse of voice. Overuse of voice, loud voice, the smoking, video, cigarette, smoking, then the use of drinking chilled water. So smoking, chilled water, it acts as the irritant to the soft part, the muscles, the vocal cord, cartilaginous part in the larynx. The symptoms are hoarseness of voice. The voice changes. Hoarseness of voice, sore throat, mucus buildup, coughing. So the important part, the voice box get affected. This similar symptom may occur during pharyngitis also. The inflammation of pharynx, pharyngitis. So such laryngitis requires some treatment. In the treatment, if it is caused by bacteria, use antibiotics. Use of antibiotics. The mucus buildup, coughing is there, so use of cough expectorant. Cough expectorant, the medicine, cough medicine that dilute the mucus. Due to the hoarseness or overuse of voice, so there is a requirement of voice rest. Avoid drinking chilled water. Avoid smoking. Quit smoking. And it acts as an irritant, causes irritating effect and inflammation in the larynx. So these are some treatmentive measures. Then the next respiratory disorder, emphysema. Emphysema, it is the long-term disorder, long-term progressive disorder of respiratory system, where the various factors that cause damage to the alveoli, damage to lungs, causes destruction of the alveoli. Destruction breakdown of the alveoli. The factor like smoking, air pollutant, excessive heavy smoking, the smoke contain various toxic chemicals. If we see, the 60 different types of chemicals are present in the tobacco smoke. 60 different types of chemicals present in tobacco smoke, which directly affect the structural and functional unit of lung, alveoli. Structural and functional unit of lungs. The air pollutant, toxic gases, particulate material, many particles present in air that get deposited into the alveoli and cause damage, destruction of alveoli. So, the functional unit get damaged, result in some symptoms, that shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, alveoli and airways get collapsed, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, airway that get collapsed. So reduce the airflow. Reduce the airflow that result in partial emptying the lungs, difficulty in emptying the lungs. So lungs become hyperinflated. एक्सपांड स्टेज मध्ये राहतं, एअर लंग्सच्या बाहेर टाकण्यात जात नाही, त्यामुळे हायपर इन्फ्लेटेड स्टेज मध्ये लंग्स राहतात. सो इट इज अ ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह डिसऑर्डर, क्रोनिक obstructive disorder. Obstruction in the airflow. Treatment: quit smoking, use of some protective mask or the kits that prevent the entry of pollutant inside the respiratory tract. This is the emphysema. The next disorder, occupational respiratory disorder. The inhalation of the substances at the occupation, at the workplace, at the occupation, the inhalation of substances occur, inhalation of pollutants. For example, the inhalation of silica particle, asbestos, cement particles, granite, marble, granite, slate, chalk particle, sandstones, etc. At the workplace, fertilizer, pesticide, chemical industry, These particles inhale, and of which the minute fine particles, fine particles that are smaller one, air enter inside the inspired air. Along with inspired air, that directly travel reach to the branchiole, reach to the branchiole, reach to the alveoli. Inside the alveoli, inside the branchiole, these get destroyed by the phagocytosis. These particles are destroyed by phagocytosis process, where the macrophages cells, macrophages, the tissue macrophages, connective tissue मध्ये असणार, they engulf and destroy these pollutants, engulf and destroy these pollutants. On the contrary, of these substances, some are not degradable by the biological action, so get accumulated inside the lung tissue, lung cells. Those which are not degraded goes on accumulation in the lungs, in the tissue, in the alveoli, and trigger the inflammatory response. To trigger the inflammatory response, result in damage of the alveolar tissue, damage, destruction of lung tissue, get converted into fibers, damage, destruction of the lung tissue, and that lung tissues are converted into fibers. Hence, it is called as fibrosis. Fibrosis म्हणतात. Fibrosis, which caused due to silicosis. Fibrosis caused due to the asbestosis. So the workers, during preventive measures, the worker at the occupation, at the place, wear the mask so that the inhaled air get filtered, or use the protective mask or protective gears. The protective gears are the devices that purify the air, that filter, purify the air, and the oxygen-rich air can be entered through that gear. The protective gear, the personal protective equipment, PPE kit म्हणतात त्याला. Then the last respiratory disorder, pneumonia. Pneumonia, it is the inflammatory condition, inflammation of lungs, inflammation of alveoli, the structural and functional unit of lung, inflammation of alveoli. So it results in filling of lungs with therefore fluid. Lungs get filled by excessive amount of fluid. It is called consolidation or exudation. Filled by the fluid, called as consolidation and exudation. The various factors that causes pneumonia. The causes are bacterial infection. The bacteria Haemophilus influenzae, The bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae. There are viral infection also occur. Infection of viruses. The viruses are influenza virus, adenovirus, parainfluenza virus, respiratory syncytial virus, popularly called as RSV, swine flu virus, H1N1, H2N2, coronavirus. In the last stage of coronavirus, latter stage, then the infection of fungi. The fungi are Streptomycetes, carinii, Streptomycetes girovesi, the fungal infection. Then there may be another cause of pneumonia in the physical injury to the lung, physical damage to the lung, or chemical burn to the lungs. So that cause damage to the soft tissues, alveolar membrane, alveolar cells, and it result in serious disorder. These pathogens, these factors inhale and enter inside the lung, where it causes excessive secretion of the mucus. That mucus build up the alveolar membrane covered by single layer of squamous epithelium. So such alveolar membrane, due to the mucus gets covered around the alveolar surface, inner lining of the alveolar membrane. Due to the covering of mucus, the exchange of gases, oxygen from lungs into the blood and carbon dioxide from blood to the lung alveoli, the diffusion of these gases get affected. So less oxygen supply in the body, diffusion of gases affected, result in various symptoms. The symptoms are that are shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, called as dyspnoea, high grade fever, accompanied with the shaking chill, high grade fever, sweaty, clammy skin, then due to lack of oxygen, so breathing process get affected, lack of oxygen, result in fatigue, joint pain, headache, muscle ache, headache, joint pain, fatigue, loss of appetite, भूक कमी लागणे, जेवण कमी झाले, nausea, vomiting, that also add in the fatigue. यामुळे आणखी थकवा जास्त जाणवतो. There is a stabbing chest pain. Stabbing chest pain. छातीमध्ये असं सुई रुतल्यासारखं, पिन प्रिक्स झाल्यासारखं चेस्ट पेन होते. स्टॅबिंग चेस्ट पेन ड्युरिंग ब्रीदिंग or coughing. During breathing and coughing, the chest pain occurs. So such symptoms that are severe and immediate there is a need of treatment. And this concern with the physician is necessary. Use of the antiviral, antibacterial drugs. The treatment immediately concern with physician. The antiviral, antibacterial drugs are given by the physician. Antibacterial like chloramphenicol, gentamicin, ciprofloxacin. Antiviral like oseltamivir, zanamivir, oseltamivir, rimetidine, etc. Antiviral drugs are given. The cough medicines, use of ventilation, that is artificial system that provide oxygen, are some treatments for the pneumonia.